I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, if you are aware of the NFTs, you might have heard this term Bored Ape Yacht Club, right? In fact, the other CryptoPunk and the Bored Ape Yacht Club, a monkey is being sold for millions of dollars or several $100,000, was very famous sort of a thing that the message got spread out throughout the world within the last 2021 bull market. And in fact, the celebrities like Justin Bieber and a lot others invested into it. They actually purchased that Bored Ape Yacht Club, but not just them, a lot of other people. Here's the thing, what is the current story right now to give you like where we are right now. So Justin Bieber basically paid 500 Ethereum for Bored Ape Yacht Club 3001 on Jan 29, which at the time was valued at $1.28 million. While the current top offer for the same NFT is just over approximately $70,000. Just imagine somebody investing $1.28 million into an NFT, and obviously everyone was like the price is only going to shoot up, like we are talking 10x from here and stuff, right? And right now we are like 95% down from there. But not just that, even the Bored Ape Yacht Club, the floor price of the entire NFT series, the floor price is the minimum price that you need to pay to purchase a particular category of NFT. So basically Bored Ape Yacht Club is a category or a group that actually produces, owns these NFTs, and they do the buying and the selling of these Bored Ape Yacht Clubs. The basic price or the floor price was $300 and approximately $400,000 at that time earlier. And right now it is approximately $58,000, which is again like we are talking how much? Approximately 88 to 90% down. A lot of other news like the other Bored Ape Yacht Clubs sold for like $250,000 right now, like top offer getting $70,000, or even if you exclude the Bored Ape Yacht Club, one of the entrepreneur, the multimillionaire, bought that first tweet of the Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey for $1 million, and then he was trying to like several $1 million he bought it for, and then he was trying to sell it for 10x the price. Guess what? The highest offer that he got was not even $1,000, not even $1,000, and he has spent several $1 million onto the thing. But that may be the case right now, because right now the depths of the bear market is going on. What is the overall message that we all get from this? What is the overall message that the entire community should take from this? Is that do not go and FOMO in within the bull market when everyone is euphoric, everyone is excited about the thing. That's when, if you're planning to get into the things, either the cryptocurrency, either the NFTs, either any of the hypes, the only reason should be to flip it immediately. If not, like, I'm not talking just one day, like just try to be in the lookout to flip it for a profit within the bull market. And even if you're not able to make the profit, take the first loss and get out. Because during the bull market, now you are in a situation, anytime the stories can reverse, anytime the trend reversal might happen, and you might be starting to witness the bear market. But at the same time, during the bear market, like currently, if somebody wanted to invest, then probably I would believe this is the best time to invest. Like even when we are talking about the NFTs, let's say somebody had always had a plan to get these Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, and right now because the prices are down, the confidence is really low. Let me tell you, the confidence within the entire market is really low because the price, that is the reason the prices are down. The moment the confidence starts shifting up, the moment the bull market starts picking up, that's when the prices are actually going to rise up again. And you never know, it might even cross $1.25 million, $1.28 million that it has been listed for, and even far more than that. Or probably the floor price might go to $1 million by the next bull run. So probably if somebody wanted to invest, then probably this is the best. I'm not saying go and invest, this is a great opportunity, but if somebody actually wanted to get it, then these are the times when the prices are down, when the confidence is cheap, when everybody is selling, everybody is bearish. Not that time when everybody is bullish, right? When a piece of rock is being sold for $1 million or several $1 million. We need to understand this, guys. As a community, we want to be ahead of the curve, right? We want to be ahead of the group of people who are entering into the space. Why? Because to some extent you have to be smarter enough, like in order to make the profit. Like you cannot just hold your bags down to the depths of the bear market, especially like when we are not talking about the topmost technology. Somebody is hodling the Bitcoin, you can understand the perspective into that, because Bitcoin is the founding block of all these things. So we are not talking like Bitcoin probably going to zero, right? If you believe in crypto, like obviously Bitcoin is not going to zero. It is eventually be crossing that $250,000 mark. Having said that, a lot of other coins we do not want to hodl from the bull to the bear market period. Just remember this, guys. As a community, we need to enrich ourselves with the best of the knowledge so that we are the most profitable people. And in fact, that's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all of our subscribers. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button, and obviously do comment down below and like the button. I want to read each one of your comments. What is your take onto this? This is the time to be investing, guys, by the way. Like if somebody actually considered ever, then probably your CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, when it is at the cheapest, when the floor price is like literally shifting the goalpost downwards. Having said that, when all these negative newses are coming, there is a side world where the adoption continues to grow. For example, the success in talks for a virtual world. So Prince Harry and Meghan Markle are in advanced talks with Pax World, a platform allowing users to create their own metaverse according to this thing. And obviously, like it will be involving in all that NFT thing. Now, Adidas Original unveil virtual gear collection. Adidas released an Ethereum-based NFT collection called the Genesis Collection on the November 8th, 16th, featuring a set of wearables designed to be worn by virtual avatars. Introducing Adidas virtual gear, right? And it accelerates our community collective drive towards strengthening Web3 and the Adidas community-based member first open metaverse pledge. And then you had the Sony's NFT gaming patent. Again, like Sony is also. So these are the signs that the technology is here to stay. Mass adoption is happening. It is just about the financial condition, the macro environment that is causing all these things, and the human emotions. Slowly the narrative will shift, but the best time to be buying is the bare depths of the bear market, not the euphoria of the bull market. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching the video, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Opportunity of a lifetime to win one full Bitcoin, and not just for the one time. In fact, every time we have 1000 referral crossed, we will be doing the lucky draw, and you will be qualified every time to participate for just doing one time task. What is that one time task? All you have to do is just sign up to Binance Exchange with our referral link. The link is down below in the video description, or you can even use the QR code that you see on the screen. Deposit $100 and buy any crypto of your choice. The crypto is yours, the $100 is yours. That's it. You're qualified for the rest of your life to keep on winning one Bitcoin every time we reach 1000 referral. All you have to do after that, email to us your Binance user ID at the email abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. Every 1000 referral, we will select one random user, and you are qualified every time we cross 1000 referral, 2000 referral, 3000 referral. That means you can even win 10 Bitcoin. So all you have to do, again, I'll repeat, click the link down below in the description, or the QR code. You will be landing up at the Binance sign up page. You click on sign up with phone or email or Google, whichever way you sign up. You deposit $100, you buy any crypto of your choice, and then just email your user ID to our email address. Where do you find your user ID? This is your dashboard. You click on profile and you click on dashboard. The moment you click, you will find at the screen your user ID, and you just have to email to us. All the best for your lucky draw.